Today's expression is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We use this expression to talk about a very special opportunity that we may never have again. We can use it for important career opportunities, major personal decisions, or situations that involve a big change or a big risk. Let's look at a typical situation. A famous chef stands inside a large restaurant space that is still under construction. The walls are unfinished. Workers are installing equipment, and the chef looks around the future restaurant with excitement and a little nervousness. He is discussing the ambitious new project with someone from his team. It's a huge investment, and there's a lot of risk. But this could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
So, when a very special opportunity comes along that you may never have again, you can call it a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. See you in the next video.